Imagine walking into a home that feels calm, uncluttered, and effortlessly stylish without breaking the bank. Minimalism isn't about getting rid of everything. It's about keeping what truly adds value to your life. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to achieve it. In this video, we're diving into practical, budget-friendly ways to create a minimalist home that looks amazing and feels even better. Whether you're starting fresh or decluttering your current space, these tips will help you transform your home with intention and simplicity. Declutter first, buy later. Before you even think about buying new furniture or decor, start by decluttering what you already own. Look around. How many things do you actually use or love? Go through each room and remove anything that doesn't serve a purpose or bring you joy. The less you own, the more space, clarity, and freedom you create. Once you've pared down your belongings, you'll have a better idea of what you truly need. Instead of impulse buying, take a step back and make a list of essentials. This approach saves you money and prevents unnecessary clutter from creeping back in. Shop secondhand and repurpose. Minimalism on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing style. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and garage sales are goldmines for high-quality, affordable furniture and decor. Look for timeless, neutral pieces that fit your space and lifestyle. With a little patience, you can find incredible deals on everything from tables to lamps. Don't overlook the potential of repurposing what you already own. An old dresser can be repainted for a fresh look, or a set of mismatched chairs can be unified with a coat of paint. Creativity goes a long way in making your home stylish without overspending. Focus on multifunctional pieces. Minimalist living thrives on versatility. When choosing furniture, opt for pieces that serve multiple purposes. A storage ottoman can function as seating, a footrest, and extra storage. A foldable dining table works for both small gatherings and compact spaces. These smart choices help maximize space while keeping your home uncluttered. Think beyond furniture. Minimalism extends to organization too. Floating shelves, wall-mounted racks, and underbed storage keep things tidy without adding visual bulk. The goal is to create a home that feels open, breathable, and effortlessly functional. Keep it neutral and light. A minimalist home feels calm and inviting, and your color palette plays a huge role in that. Stick to neutral tones like white, beige, grey, or soft earth tones. These colors make your space look bigger, brighter, and more cohesive, even if your furniture comes from different sources. Textures add warmth and personality to a neutral space. A simple linen throw, woven baskets, or a cozy rug can make a big difference without overwhelming the room. Minimalism isn't about being cold or boring. It's about creating a peaceful space with intentional design choices. Minimal decor, maximum impact. When it comes to decoration, less is truly more. Instead of filling every surface with trinkets, choose a few meaningful pieces. A statement mirror, a well-placed plant, or a single-framed artwork can elevate your space without making it feel cluttered. Plants are an affordable way to bring life into a minimalist home. They improve air quality, add a touch of nature, and require minimal upkeep. If you're on a tight budget, propagate plants from cuttings or swap with friends to build your collection for free. Mindful purchases for the future. Minimalism isn't a one-time project. It's a mindset. Be intentional with future purchases by following the one-in, one-out rule. Before buying something new, ask yourself if it truly adds value to your life, and if you're willing to part with something else to make room for it. Invest in quality over quantity. A well-made couch that lasts 10 years is more budget-friendly than replacing a cheap one every few years. By making thoughtful choices, you'll create a home that stays minimalist, functional, and cost-effective in the long run. A minimalist home isn't about deprivation. It's about creating a space that feels good to live in. By decluttering, shopping smart, and prioritizing function, you can design a beautiful home that reflects your personality without unnecessary expenses. Start small, make intentional choices, and enjoy the freedom that comes with having less but better. If you found these tips helpful, let me know how you're simplifying your space.